Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use BigCommerce for dropshipping step by step clearly. Begin by creating an account on BigCommerce. Visit the BigCommerce website and click on the Start a Free Trial button. Fill in your basic information, including your name, email, and password. Select the type of business you want to run when prompted. Once registered, log in to your new account. Begin customizing your store by selecting a template that fits your brand. Navigate to the store design section on the dashboard. Use the theme editor to make adjustments to your selected template. Upload your logo and set the desired color scheme. Next, go to the Products tab to add items for dropshipping. Click on Add Product to start listing your products. Input detailed descriptions, images, and pricing for each product. Make sure to include product dimensions and weight for shipping calculations. After adding products, navigate to the Apps section in the BigCommerce dashboard. Search for popular dropshipping apps like Spocket or Oberlo. Install your chosen dropshipping app and follow the setup instructions. Connect the app to various suppliers to access their product catalogs. Browse available products and select what you want to sell. Import those products into your BigCommerce store. Next, set up payment gateways to accept customer payments. Go to the Advanced Settings and click on Payments. Choose your preferred payment methods, such as PayPal or Stripe. Once configured, head to the Shipping settings. Set up domestic and international shipping options based on your target market. Adjust shipping rates according to the supplier's practices. Now focus on setting up your store's tax settings. Under Advanced Settings, find the Taxes section and customize your tax rates based on your location. Prepare your store for launch by reviewing your product listings and pages. Make sure your navigation is user-friendly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.